The Neosegment Digit from Crowd Supply is a modular, open-source RGB 7-segment display that simplifies the displaying of numeric information. With the capability of showing digits and other symbols in any color without additional circuitry, the Neosegment Digit is definitely an upgrade from traditional 7-segment displays available today. Designed for users of all skill levels, the Neosegment Digit requires no soldering, and any number of Neosegments can be chained together for creating highly visible displays. The Neosegment communicates with microcontrollers via a single data pin and is compatible with Arduino, Raspberry Pi, ESP32, and other architectures. Ideal applications for this RGB 7-segment display include clocks and timers, temperature indicators, and numeric information that requires uniqueness.